Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out this humidifier, so the ultrasonic cool mist. Let's go ahead and open up the package for y'all, see what it comes in, see what accessories, and then we're going to test this out. So far just the manual and the unit itself. Alright guys, so you get plenty of cable length. When you take off the reservoir and put it on, it just pops in place like this. There's a handle at the top. There's a brush already built inside for cleaning, so that's awesome. If we take a look at the front, you have timer, night lights, on off, mist, humidistat. So plug this in. When we plug it in, we see it lights up. That's actually really nice. Lights up good. On and off. Alright guys, so before we test it, they do give you a warning. It says, do not add essential oil into the water tank. The warranty does not cover that. So, you remove this nozzle here, but first you can lift it up. Remove this nozzle, set that to the side. Turn the tank upside down. Twist off this cap here. This is where you put water. The water goes inside here. So fill this up with water, then you put this back on. Okay, so we filled it with water. Remember, you don't have to fill it plumb full. And now make sure this is on nice and tight. And now we want to go ahead and line this up, turn it over like that. Now as you see, no water's coming out. We didn't have it turned facing right. All right, we put it on. Now water is being dropped down in here. So don't be lifting this up. Go ahead. You can place this back on here. So let me show you what happens when you lift this up. You can see that water is directly inside here. And it allows you first to remove the nozzle at the top. And this allows you to turn it over. So it has a protective for turning over. Okay guys, so you do not use essential oils with this unit. This is for strictly humidifying. So let's go ahead. We got water in it. And now you guys can see here that it's blowing. And you can set the settings how you want it to mist. You have 3 settings for speed. You can set the humidistat at different levels. So if humidity is not where you want it, you can change that. You have night light. So let's go ahead and turn off some lights and show you guys the night light that is inside here. So as you guys can see, it lights up. It shows the water level in here. All of this lights up. So the whole thing lights up. The whole thing goes over, and you can turn all that off. You can set it for sleeping. You can set it without a light. Personally, I like it with the light. You got your timer, humidistat. Like I said before, you can change that. So it can be on or off. You can up that depending on what you want. Once it hits that, it will turn off. You can do the mist speed, so you can have full force. It's up to you how you want it to come out. Overall, this is definitely going to work for a medium to large room. I mean, this is really putting out a lot of mist. I mean, a lot. Look at all this. So this is definitely good for medium to large rooms. A small, medium, large, whatever, based on the setting that you choose. Overall, I love it. Man, does it work. I mean, I don't know if you guys could see that, but wow, that thing is working phenomenal. Look at this. It feels so cool too. Love that.